Very good morning. We are starting this morning, obviously very eventful already. We are going into the last 2 months of the year, and those are usually quite, let's say, bullish. So I'm super exciting, and I think that not only the things that are coming up are exciting, but also there is one of our favorite companies that is doing earnings today, which I will broadcast live this evening. Obviously, Virgin Galactic with their third quarter earnings. This will be quite interesting, and therefore let's first of all go in our market. Okay, we have another green market this morning, which is fantastic because I think, you know, that's exactly what I forecasted. It looks a little bit exactly like I thought it will be. After the election we will get some certainty. You know, the Senate will be more Republican, maybe the White House will be Biden, and if this will be the case, there will be no big surprises, and I think, you know, that's positive for the market. And this is what you can see here as well in the S&P futures. They are up almost 1%, Dow futures are up almost 1%, and Nasdaq futures more than 1.5% up here. Okay, Tesla space a little bit down yesterday, but just insignificantly. For Tesla there is a big resistance actually. If we are just having a quick look into that, I would like to show you that you know, we have a big resistance here around this area with 420, and we would need for Tesla to break out to close somewhere at like 450 for a day. So then we could further go, and you know, I'm waiting for the huge brand new announcement of the S&P 500 inclusion. This will be the absolute catalyst, and obviously we are, you know, already in the last quarter, which is the best quarter always for Tesla, where they can achieve the 500,000 cars, which will be absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, so this is the current situation. So yeah, we're going positive into the day, and obviously the most important part that will continue this week will be the election. It's still not over, it's still ongoing, it's still not sure who will move in or move out of the White House, right? I mean, still everything is possible. Both candidates have still chances, and it's just on the swing states now and on the last counting of the votes until we know who will become president or stay president, right? Let's go further than that. Bezos is selling $3 billion worth of Amazon shares, and while people are saying, wow, this is the end, what is happening, because he sold already 10 billion so far of Amazon stock. Guys, there's a saying, I think it's by Peter Lynch, okay, one of the best hedge fund managers out there. He said always, people can sell stock by many reasons, right? They need the money, they want to invest in other companies, they you know, they just think that the price is too high or will go lower, but they buy only for one reason, because they think it will go further on. So remember that when you're seeing these headlines, because it's important to understand, if someone is buying, then it's a very good sign. If it's selling, it's not necessarily a bad sign, okay, for the company. So further, let's have a look into Italy, or into the overall scenario here with Rona. And we have Italy locks the financial capital Milan, okay? However, on the whole front, we have, make sure to follow my second channel, Wolf of Dubai 2. There's a lot of content already that you might missed already, so make sure to follow me on the second channel as well. Link into the description. Follow, ring the bell, subscribe. I will be so happy if you would do this or already have done that, all right? Then we have immune cells are responding responding to Rona 6 months after injection, which is after infection. So this is quite interesting as well, to have all of this new, positive data from the health situation here, which is obviously very, very useful when we have this kind of positive news, because this is this is the reason why we're going down most of the time. And I feel like, and I don't know about you guys, I feel like the news are more concentrating now on the election rather than the overall Rona situation, which is great, because you see that there's nothing too much new to announce. Okay, we have some restrictions socially, yes, and this will help. So the next big news that is coming actually out there will be positive and saying, there is some good developments going on into the social distancing, social lockdowns, and so on. So I think this is probably very, very good opportunity now to invest into the market. I said this already before when the stock market went down. I said, these are just great opportunities, and since then, we gained really, really much already. So congratulations to all that could buy, for example, Tesla for 388, right? And now it's 420. So interesting purchases could be made there so far. Then we have the president of China says that they will intensify talks with Europe, Japan, and South Korea, which is basically the speech that he gave at the opening of the China International Import Expo. And I think that this was obviously also a sign to say, while US is still going on with their overall accounting and uncertainty that is going there, how the relations will change if a new president will be on board. I think Xi wanted to send a sign to everybody to say, we don't need necessary USA. Okay, we can deal with any other big industry companies out there, and I think that's really amazing. And I think something that he must say, obviously, right? And then we are seeing the earnings of Virgin Galactic today, okay? And I'm super excited because it's only every 3 months that we have a nicer look into what happens with the cash burn, what happens with costs, what's happening with new developments of the company, okay? I will be live, obviously, with this call, and not the call, but the earnings for sure. The call, I don't know which time it will be. Maybe I will just make a summary the next day, but definitely I will be there for the earnings. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe if you are new here to this channel and looking for Virgin Galactic. If you're looking for a great broadcast, make sure to do it here with me. I think this will be super exciting, and I know what I will look for in the earnings for sure, to see how reservations / demand will going on, and many other things. So make sure to tune in. I think this can be very, very exciting and very, very fun to do it right today. Okay, this will be obviously after the market closes today on Thursday, 5th of November. Then we have some other earnings that actually pushed the Qualcomm stock 12, almost 13% after hours. Can you imagine? This is huge, guys, okay? This is obviously because of the 5G here. And yesterday, we had Qualcomm reported a revenue of $6.5 billion, up 35%. Nice growth here. A nice earnings here with $145, up 86%. And this is nicely way up over the consensus, and on the other side they are having a nice guidance as well. Okay, so this is quite interesting here as well, that this company thinks that 5G will still make a big chunk of their next future earnings, and it will continue to grow this way, which is obviously very important. I always say, if you're looking into the guidance, this is maybe the even more important part of the earnings every single time for every company out there when you're going into earnings. Okay, then make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, Wolf of Dubai Danny, to not miss anything that I post, just about the stock market or any few developments I'm posting there, here and there, about my life in Dubai obviously as well. So make sure to follow me there, Wolf of Dubai Danny, and I think that pretty much it, except here Katie Wood is selling Tesla shares to buy more dips in Alibaba and PayPal. This is a normal money management or fund management move that will absolutely persist in ETFs, that as soon as they have huge growth in one company, they need to shuffle a little bit to other opportunities. And PayPal obviously has a great opportunity. I think also Twitter was a great opportunity with you losing 20% and then again 5%, which was a fantastic cheap price there. And and other than that, I think the election will further affect the way how we see the stock market in the next couple of hours. We have 2 days left, guys. Thursday today and tomorrow Friday, and then I hope we have a winner and we know, and then we have real clarity here. And I hope that you have a fantastic day, fantastic start into almost the weekend. So stay tuned. I'm coming out with a vlog today. I'm coming out with the earnings of Virgin Galactic. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you're new here, and smash the like button if you liked it so far. I like you. And take care, stay safe, and have a wonderful day.